Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your display drivers on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go and head to your Start button. Here, just right click on it. After that, just click on Device Manager. Then this window should pop up, just wait for it to load. And after it loads, just expand this window. And after that, in this list, you need to search for display adapters. Mine is right here. After you have found yours, just expand this. And under here, you should see your GPU or graphics card. And then you need to click on Update Drivers. Or you can just click on Properties. Then click on Drivers. From here, you can see the driver provider name. You can just go to their website and manually download and install the drivers from there. Make sure you download and install the latest drivers. And from here, you can see the driver date, the driver version, and everything. And you can click on Update Driver from here as well. Just click on Update Driver. Then just click on Search Automatically for Drivers. It is going to search for drivers for your computer and install it for you. And as you can see, mine says the best drivers for your device are currently installed. So that means I have the best drivers already installed. So I don't need to install anything else. Just close this. If you have yours here, just install it. After that, just close all this. And then you can go ahead and restart your computer. And that is basically how to update your graphics drivers on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.